Alright, this could be one of the dumbest things ever. This thing is retailing at, I think it's like $42, $41. Oh, there you go. 41, 41.50. Going down. Oh, if it's under 40, I might as well, just fucking open it, right? Let's do it. Let's fucking do this. Oh, I'm actually sweating bullets, eh? Fuck, I get absolutely nothing out of cases. Fuck it. Oh my god, it's a fucking piece of shit. Oh my god. How much is that worth? Oh my fucking god. It goes for $4. I fucking hate my life.